Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So today we are going to prepare Semiya kesari. Whenever we hear about Semiya, we just remember Semiya kheer or Semiya payasam. But trust me, the Semiya kesari is also that yummy and that delicious, and it is obviously a finger licking recipe. So today let us see how to prepare Semiya kesari. This is very easy and simple, and you can prepare if you just have 15 minutes of time. So let's start. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee and then add dry fruits. Here I have added cashews and then kismis or resin. So first I just added only cashews. I waited till they turn golden color and then I have added resins later, because if you add resins at a time, you might have a chance of burning them. You can also add other nuts of your choice like almonds and pistachios. Now remove all the dry fruits which we have fried, and again in the same pan add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 1 cup of semiya. You need to fry it till you get a little bit of golden brown color. So here I have fried it on a high flame, but if you are not that expert in cooking, just cook it in a low flame. Don't risk it, otherwise there is a chance of burning the semiya. Now remove all the fried semiya from the pan, and in the same pan add 2 cups of water. So remember, for 1 cup of semiya you need to add 2 cups of water. Allow the water to boil completely. So once you get a nice boil, simmer the flame, remove the lid from the pan and then slowly add the fried vermicelli semiya into it. Just like upma, how we stir it constantly by dropping the rava, the same way you need to stir it continuously while dropping the fried semiya into this. Now once you are done with this, just give it a nice stir and close the lid and allow them to cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. You'll observe that 2 cups of water will reduce to 1 cup, and now you can add ilachi powder, and it is optional. If you want to add, you can add the saffron also. So once you're done with it, see, the entire 2 cups of water is all cooked nicely. It's all done. So just check whether the semiya is nicely cooked or not. You can observe that it is perfectly cooked. See, it should break but not stick to your finger. That is when you will get a perfect texture of Semiya kesari. Now once the entire water is completely completed, then you need to add sugar. Here for 1 cup of semiya, you need to add half a cup of sugar. But I have added 2 tablespoons extra for the half cup of sugar. So that is 80 grams of sugar I have added to it. And then after allowing the sugar to melt completely, after 3 to 5 minutes of cooking with the sugar, you can add any food color of your choice. First I have added yellow. I didn't find that somewhat attractive. Then I have added red color, orange red color. And then you have to stir it continuously on low flame now, and then add dry fruits and then again cook it nicely. You can see that the Semiya kesari will start removing from the pan easily. So this is the time you can add another 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of ghee and stir it nicely. Now lower the flame and allow it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. You can easily see that the Semiya kesari is easily removed. That's it. It's so easy. Now you can serve it hot and enjoy this Semiya kesari. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more interesting recipes. Thank you.